Delaware Fall Prevention Team is offering fall risk screening events in September and October for adults ages 50 and older. The screenings are free and open to the public. Broken bones, head injuries, and disabilities can result from falls. Such long-term impacts can hinder a person's ability to maintain their independence, mobility, and ability to participate in the activities of daily living. A fall risk screening is a 30-minute assessment of balance, mobility, vision, and health. No pre-registration is required for the screening events, which are being held on September 26th from 9:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. at the Modern Maturity Center, West Conference Room, 1121 Forrest Avenue in Dover, and on October 10th from 10:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. at the Milford Senior Center, 111 Park Avenue in Milford.